Hello students, today onwards we are going to start the next lesson from your syllabus, that is the coordinate geometry. Up to the last video I have tried to complete the first lesson, that is real numbers. From that all points and last exercise also I have discussed with you, and I hope so you are trying to solve those all examples which are related to our study. Friends, I want to discuss with you one important thing regarding to our study also. You should not waste time. Those are the very important days in our life. We are getting free time, a lot of free time in those days. You should not waste those days. If you are not understanding one of the other concept which is given in the video, look that video again and again. 100% I am sure about it, you will get it. But suppose you are going to ignore that, if you will see that, you will feel that कि मेरा मैथ्स थोड़ा वीक है तो कैसे होगा, ये होगा, ऐसे अगर तुम खुद को अंडर एस्टिमेट करोगे तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा. यू शुड नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेट यूर सेल्फ. दोस्तों, ऐसा कहा जाता है, मेहनत अच्छी हो तो रंग लाती है, मेहनत गहरी हो तो सबको भाती है, अगर मेहनत खुद को साबित करने की हो तो इतिहास बना देती है. तो हमें कुछ करना है. मेहनत खुद को साबित करने की हो तो इतिहास बना देती है. आज तक जो भी हुआ है, जिन्होंने भी खुद को अंडर एस्टिमेट किया है उनको कुछ भी नहीं हासिल हुआ. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? फॉर दैट पर्पज आई एम टेलिंग यू शुड नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेट योर सेल्फ. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अंडर एस्टिमेट योर सेल्फ, देन अगेन प्रॉब्लम विल बी देयर. ओके, तो आई होप सो you will not underestimate yourself. Today onwards we are going to start the next lesson from your syllabus, that is the coordinate geometry. Okay, I am going to start the first point in this lesson without wasting your and my time also. The first point in this lesson, that is the distance formula. Look here, a distance formula. First of all, I will explain how this distance formula is derived. Then we will see which type of formula we are getting over here. Okay, if you will see, then you will come to know that distance formula, the formula which is used to find out the distance, that is known as what? Distance formula. Okay, for this I am going to use here, the name of the lesson is coordinate geometry. Coordinate means, you know that very well, whenever we are writing the coordinates of any number, that time you know that that number is having x and y coordinate. X coordinate belongs to the x axis and y coordinate belongs to the y axis. Okay, means distance formula we are going to derive also by using xy coordinate plane. तो कौन सा प्लेन है? देखो, suppose this is the, you know that vertical axis means y axis, y dash, and horizontal axis means x axis, x dash. Okay, and suppose here there are 2 points. Suppose here point P is there, x1, I will take its coordinate x1 y1, and here point Q is there. Okay, I will take its coordinate x2 y2, and I want to find out the distance in between those 2 points, that is the distance of PQ. Then how to use that, how to find out the distance? For that purpose I am going to draw here, I am going to use some constructions. Okay, what is that? First construction is that I have drawn one perpendicular line, one perpendicular segment we can say, from this point P on x axis. Suppose I have taken here point R. Then second I have drawn here, suppose one perpendicular segment from point Q also. Suppose I have taken here point S. Look here what I did. Okay, I want to find out distance in between point P and Q. For that purpose what I did, I have drawn one perpendicular segment from point P and one perpendicular segment from point Q, and I have taken here point R and S. Okay, same thing I am going to increase that again one construction. I will draw here one again perpendicular segment from point P on QS. Suppose I have taken here point T. Okay, suppose I have taken here point T. Perpendicular means this is 90 degree, this is also 90, this is also 90. Okay, now we are going to how to derive the distance formula, how to find out the distance in between PQ. For that purpose these type of construction I did. We are not going to do like that construction while solving examples. For understanding purpose or how this formula is derived, for that purpose I have used this. Okay, I hope so you are getting little idea about it. Okay, now look here. First of all I will write the distances. Which are the distances? Look here. Here if you will see, okay, here PR, here the point of intersection of x and y axis is what? O. We are considering what? O, origin. Okay, here OR is what? What is the distance of OR? If you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that OR is belongs to x-axis, means the coordinate of point P, those will be the coordinates of point what? R, because this is the perpendicular line. Here coordinate of point P is what? x1, y1 we have taken. Then 100% here will be what also? Look here point R is on the x-axis, means here y coordinate will be 0, but x coordinate will be there. What is that? x1. Same thing, look here, OS is equal to this total distance. What is your coordinates? x2, y2, means here also will be what? x2, 0, means its x coordinate will be what? x2. Okay, like that same, what we will do, look here, this distance PR, what is this distance? PR. Here PR is parallel to the y-axis, means whatever distance, whatever y coordinate is here, that same distance will be there for this PR, means PR is equal to what? y1. Y coordinate, what is y coordinate? y1. That same distance will be here for this PR, because this is parallel to the y-axis. Same thing will happen in case of QS also. Okay, same thing will happen in case of QS also. What will happen in case of QS also? QS is equal to, what is y coordinate? y2. Okay, now look here, suppose I have decided I want to find out the distance in between RES, then what should I do? This total distance OS minus OR. Okay, then I will find here, look, RES is equal to what? OS minus OR. RES is equal to OS minus OR. What is OS? x2 minus x1, or x2 minus x1. Same thing, suppose I have decided I want to find out the distance of QT. Okay, then QT is equal to, look here, what? QS minus TS. QS minus TS. We know that QS, y2. Okay, QS minus this TS minus TS. Now look here, TS, if you will see carefully, TS. Okay, what is the distance of TS? If you will observe, then here PRST is one rectangle. PRST is one rectangle and opposite sides of rectangles are equal. We know that PR हमें मालूम है क्या है, PR y1, तो 100% TS भी क्या होगा? y1. Okay, understood? For understanding purpose, once again I will write here in the next point, in quadrilateral, which one quadrilateral? PRST. Okay, PRST, which is, कौन है वो? Which is rectangle. In quadrilateral PRST, which is rectangle. Okay, for understanding purpose I will write here what? PR is equal to TS is equal to what? y1. And same thing will happen, look here, RES is equal to PT. RES is equal to PT. We got here RES. What is RES? Is equal to x2 minus x1. Okay, understood? Now look here, now here if you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that here there is one right angle triangle. What is the name of right angle? Right angle triangle PTQ in triangle. Okay, now look here, we will use that triangle, in triangle PTQ. Angle, which angle? Look here, angle T. Angle T is equal to what? 90 degree. Okay, then by using which theorem? You know that very well, Pythagoras theorem. Use Pythagoras theorem. We want to find out what? This PQ means hypotenuse. PQ square, I will hold like that, then you will understand. Okay, look here, PQ square is equal to PT square plus TQ square. Do you understand? PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. PT square plus QT square. Okay, PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Put values. PQ square is equal to PT x2 minus x1. Here देखो x2 minus x1 plus QT. We know that QT y2 minus y1 bracket square. both will be the bracket square. Take square root, what you will get, see, PQ is equal to in square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This is known as what? Distance formula. Do you understand? In particular, sometime in particulars, suppose P is one of the other point, suppose its coordinates are Px1, x and y, and we want to find out its distance from origin. We want to find out its distance from origin. For that purpose, OP is equal to, direct formula you have to use, x square plus y square. OP is equal to square root x square plus y square. In short form, I will show you once again. Look here, I have written on separate page it for your better understanding. Look here, which point we have started? Distance formula. Okay, look this figure. First point, what I did in a coordinate plane P, in a coordinate plane what I did, P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 I have taken. I have drawn draw PR perpendicular to x axis, QS perpendicular to the x axis. Then what I did, also draw segment PT perpendicular to the QS and join segment PQ. Okay, here जो भी हमने फाइंड आउट किया है वो मैंने लिखा है इधर सारी बातें. कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज किया? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज किया. वी गॉट हियर PQ is equal to in square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This is known as distance formula. In particular, the distance of point P, मैंने तुम लोग को दिखाया था इधर, distance of point P from the origin O is given by, तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? OP is equal to square root x square plus y square. ये भी डिस्टेंस फार्मूले से ही फाइंड आउट होता है. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इन दिस लेसन. आई होप सो यू गॉट दिस प्रूफ. You see once again, you will get it 100%. The examples which are related to this will continue next lecture. Thank you.